What's up, guys? Welcome to PI Outdoors today.
We're out here doing a little bit of goose hunting in this cornfield. We got permission. We just got the decoys and everything set out. We're right out here, about probably 25 yards from the stand.
Honestly.
We put them back right exactly where you put them. Hey guys, today we're filming on an actual camera, so let us know the quality.
Don't worry about that brass spot over there. I'm just gonna take food.
Yeah. We only got 5. Time check for you guys. 6:38, so we got about over an hour before shooting lights. hey, it's better to get here early than late. You know? We got our blind here we made yesterday. We just put this roof on today. I have to eyes back here. Nice one. The only still. Whenever the geese come in, putting that roof on better. It's a little windy, but first time ever goose hunting for geese. First time ever geese hunting.
First ever time goose hunting for geese.
First time ever goose hunting for ducks. And, yeah, it looks pretty good because I brought food. I mean, yeah, I brought bacon and eggs and cheese danishes. Give it a taste test right now.
Yeah. The pre
Just kidding.
About to kill this man. What you got in that bag, boy?
Oh my! Cheese Danish.
Cherry cheese.
These things good?
So good, dude.
Yeah, you've had them?
Yes. The pre-breakfast of champions. They're in my pocket.
You gonna try one, Andy? He's not gonna try. He's such a big baby. There's cheese in there.
Dude, they're good. It's not like actual cheese. It's cream cheese.
No, but Andy loves cheese. Tell him there's cheddar cheese in these. He'll eat it. Watch.
Hey, there's absolute Swiss in there.
Look, he doesn't like Swiss.
I don't either. I hate it.
Me too.
It's kind of why I said it. Dude, Swiss cheese is so gross. If you like Swiss cheese, you're a bozo.
There you go.
Yeah, let's get a nice look there. Oh yes. See a cross section?
Mmm. Tastes like
good?
a Stoster strudel.
Exactly. A Stoster strudel.
Some tea. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna come in there. All right, so little harsh conditions here.
Oh yeah, it's snowing big time.
Big time, boys.
I look like I work in a snow cone factory.
This is gonna end up being a vlog, just telling you guys.
Oh
that
yeah,
right now.
for sure. Maybe going into like the little outdoor store. We got the old propane going here. It's actually really warm. That's why we made Andy over there.
Got some homemade tea.
Oh yeah,
An outdoor edge.
real nice, real nice. Put some snow in there.
These knives, tell you guys right now, best knives you can get.
Outdoor edge.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah, big time.
nice knives.
They are pretty nice. We got the bacon. We're cooking eggs too right now.
Potentially. Do you want eggs?
Maybe after the bacon. I was gonna bring some ham because we had ham
I
yesterday.
yuck ham. I mean, I don't.
I'm glad that was on camera. I yuck ham. You don't like ham?
Ham's my least favorite.
You ever had ham on in eggs? Huh?
I like ham. I don't enjoy it, but I like it.
What?
I enjoy a nice ham with
I like pork chop.
with some eggs. Have you ever had
I don't like pork chops.
All right, we'll be back when we get the bacon on.
Quit hogging it all, pal.
This bacon's done now.
We got more cooking.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Hogging bacon.
Mmm. That's decent. Isn't crunchy, but you know, not bad.
My fart.
Oh yeah?
It really is.
That's definitely a threat.
Super salty.
Still good?
Oh yeah. We're 100% cooking all of it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Maybe not eggs, but you know.
What brand is it? Smithfield?
The only stuff they had at Dollar General.
So let's get a live look in.
Oh man, you know what time it is?
Chalky milk time. Oh yeah. Get you some. Check it off. Look at this. It is so cold that the bacon is like
Yeah, we're
reforming to the spatula.
Today would have been decent for deer, I bet. Except,
Yeah, if you want to get wet.
Except muzzleloaders, they just kind of.
Yeah, they
They're
probably.
so spooked.
Yeah.
That's why I hunt in a heated blind.
You hunting a heated blind?
No.
I was gonna say.
Chalky milk.
How good is that?
Oh, recommend.
Is it?
I gotta poop now.
Yuck! 10 out of 10. Do not recommend. Oh.
Oh, let's get a flip. That's looking pretty good.
This piece is about done.
Oh, buddy, look at that.
Oh, this is
That's a good one. Honestly.
You think this piece is done?
No, leave her on there for a
The
little bit
other
more. Yeah. All right, just enough to zoom here.
Zoom in onto this geese line up there.
Could you imagine?
I threw it out there and test the zoom.
Oh, it's not focused. Dude, that's honestly not
Isn't
bad.
that one of the ones with long zoom?
Yeah, look at it. It's up in that tree line.
Zoomed out.
Oh, jeez.
So let us know if you like his camera, if it's better quality than our phones or not.
Look at that, though. You looking at this? Look at the camera. That's that tree line. Look where.
Oh yeah, nice. That's cool. Good zoom.
Oh, yeah.
Right, get this thing on
Get
kit with
them
the zoom. With this.
Hold on, wait, let me. It ain't focusing.
It's done. This is done. You want it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
That's
Look at there. What a quality.
It's boiling grease on it.
Is that hot? That's not? Hot and ready? Like Little Caesars?
Oh yeah.
We should get a little Caesar.
Oh, we should go get a pizza.
Dude, that's fire red. Fresh off the thing.
It didn't look
Oh, yeah?
good for me and you though. Sandra doesn't like pizza.
You don't like pizza?
No.
You never knew this?
Bacon.
We're definitely cooking all the bacon though.
Oh, yeah, for sure. So, we're sitting here packing up because it's been absolutely atrocious with, you know, cold and wind and snow and rain. Honestly, just a hurricane of weather. And then, so these things have been flying around us all day. And then, we landed over there, standing where about Kyle was standing. Footprints there. You know, got the old 12 gauge with the old duck shot in it.
Oh yeah, two shot steel. Absolutely just slayed this dove.
She was over here. She just landed there. And
Oh yeah, there's two of them. If we would've, one of us would've been ready. With another gun, we would've got both.
I definitely dumped the old load on them though. Only got one. This one landed on a cornstalk, thankfully. I absolutely smoked her in the lungs, in the breast though. So.
Just about.
So look at that. You know what I'm saying? That's nice. You can make a nice pen out of those feathers.
Yeah.
Nice little pen. And it's standing about where it was.
No, it was about where we're at.
Okay, whatever. Anyways. Then you have nice.
Here, let's go show him. I mean, this thing zooms in, does it?
It's a nice, pretty bird, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, she's bleeding from the mouth. I definitely hit her in the lungs.
Okay, let us know if you guys like Olin. That's the channel. Let's go over here, like check out some stuff.
I absolutely called her in with the goose call too.
Oh yeah. Now here, I feel like this would be amazing for predators. Yeah, we're gonna go to a sports store.
Man, that's just
Yeah, let's
absolutely.
get going because my hands are absolutely just freezing. We're in the Saturn right now. I had the truck, I left it at a gas station because I don't want to use gas. I can get a free ride this way. Yeah, I locked the doors, don't worry. We were gonna get Subway at that place, but it ended up being closed. Or the power was on or something. Oh yeah, we're behind Andy. This Saturn gets it. Roads are not the best.
Yeah.
Let us know if you guys like this camera.
No cottage cheese, dude. Didn't even put pepper on it, dude. What?
2 servings? No.
It definitely looks more than 2 servings, but okay. I'll let it
I
slide.
think it's a 4.
I'll let it slide. Alright, no. Just try it, dude.
Oh, man.
What?
What if I throw up?
Throw up on the camera.
Is the texture bad?
No.
Is it?
No.
It's chunky.
It's just cottage cheese, dude.
Put the whole thing
Just do it. Do it like a Band-Aid. Yeah, there you go. It's good. Here, wash it down. That was a crunchy fry.
Yuck, how do you eat so much of that?
It's good, dude.
like this.
No, it's like... Ugh. Maybe if it was a little bit chunkier.
You look like Joey Chestnut with the hot dogs. Yo, what was that? Oh yeah, that good?
We're going to the sports store. It's called Mauer's Trading Post.
Mealers.
Oh, it's probably about 2:45 right now, I reckon.
It is.
Time check.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. It's not 2:45, it's 3 o'clock. But we got the decoys out there, we got a Dove mojo, just in case, you know, any doves want to play. I'll let them eat the old Remington Express. You see, the only thing is, I'll have to reload. The only thing is I'll have to reload into these shells. But these are still big for doves. These are high grass. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll work. Drop this light again.
No way. Andy with the GoPro set up here?
What?
With the GoPro set up?
Sandy's new call. Long neck goose for bike racing boy.
Man, that's pretty long.
Show him your cup. Show him your goose ride. Andy bought that today.
Yeah, just fly it.
See it later.
No, just do it. Yeah.
It kind of looks like that mojo.
Not really.
I got this coyote call.
I think we're being too loud.
You're being too loud.
This roof needs to fix that.
Oh, there it gone. They didn't like your calling here. Let me fix the blind now. Got a little light sprinkle on us right now, boys.
Not really.
I can hear it on this.
Alright guys, so it's been about 30 minutes since we last checked in. We saw absolutely nothing.
Oh, we saw them birds.
We saw a couple of bluebirds. Blue jays, whatever they are.
Bluebirds.
Hey, cow. Give us, yeah, there you go.